Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel of WebGuru, where we generally talk about front-end related topics. In this video, we are going to talk about event in JavaScript. As my every video, this video also we are making short, effective with the real scenario, so you will easily understand the concept of the event in JavaScript. If you are liking my video, then please hit the like button, and also you can subscribe my channel, so if any new video will come, then you will get the browser notification. So let's start this topic. So first of all, for the event you have to know about like HTML first of all, and then the DOM manipulation. So in the DOM manipulation I created a separate video over there in my channel, so you can watch that one. You will easily understand what is DOM, how we capturing our value from the DOM. Okay. Event, what is event? Event basically we use for capturing the behavior and action of the user, like uh, in the web page. If you want to run your code on some of the event, like I'm typing here, okay, google.com. I'm hitting, I clicked this enter button, so this also this is also a event. Okay, when I typing something like Java, this is also a event. Okay, when I clicking this one, clear button, so I want to clear this text here, so also this is the event. We can capture this one with the help of JavaScript in front end. So like this, this is the browser. We can capture the event with the help of JavaScript. I'm going to show you. I created this HTML for your better understanding in the event. So suppose we have one is a type of login page. Okay, so login, in this login page is we have two input, is a name and email ID, and this is the our submit button. Okay, so suppose if we have, okay, if you want some value, this name and email ID, on click of this submit button, then you can write on click, and you can write your function name, and in the script we generally use a script for writing our code, JavaScript code inside between this script type. So suppose submit, we created this function, we are calling into the button click. Okay, submit button click. Okay, this is our function, and we are going to show this value and email value as well. So suppose alert we have, let name document dot get element by ID, and then what is the ID, name here, and what is the value, we can get the value in this one. Let email as well, document dot get element by ID, and we have this ID in email, and we can show in alert box. Okay, and suppose we can, okay, so this is we want when we click when we click on submit button, then generally we are capturing the name and email ID. Suppose our name is John, and our email ID is john dot so when we hit the like button, submit button, then you will get the name as well and the email, okay, email ID. So we can capture this value, we can do our code over there. Suppose we need, okay, suppose I am going to display here, okay, in our paragraph. This is the ID, okay, para. So document dot get element by ID, okay, we have para, and inner HTML we have, so we can write inside the para, okay, this name and string concatenation I'm doing plus with the plus, email, okay. So you can see here login page is the title. When I write something here, okay, abcd@gmail.com, then when I click the submit button, then you easily do your thing, okay, like I'm displaying the name and email ID into the paragraph, so you can do your own code according to your requirement. And we have also this mouse over. Suppose on mouse, okay, enter, we can pass one thing, okay, we can write this function name, and we can make this dot. First of all, you can copy this one, this dot style dot background color. Suppose on mouse enter we are doing this one, okay, and on mouse leave also we have one function, leave, okay, we can write mouse leaf as well. So in the mouse leaf we can write our code over there. So when we hover here or enter our mouse in this ID of the para, so you can see the background is coming red, showing red, and when we leave this mouse from that para, it is reverting back to the white. So you can write your own function here. Also we have key up, okay, on key up. So on key up is generally we use for when we typing anything. This is the event of key up, okay. So suppose key up I'm writing, okay, also we need this key up, and in this paragraph we are going to show this value, whatever we are typing into the text box of the name, we are going to show that one, okay. So document.value, that is name, okay. So key up we implemented here. When we typing anything, you can see, so like data binding we can do here, okay, with the key up as well. So you generally see this one into our when we searching anything into the search box, okay. When we searching anything, this key up generally do, okay. So this key up is generally fetching the data, related data from the server, and we are showing into the drop down. This is the type add functionality. So here we are using key of functionality. Okay, so that's why you can see the related data. This data we are fetching on key of event. So come back to our code. Okay, we have many many key event. You can see a on board, on blur when you typing anything, and when you leave your focus from that input, then this generally work. Okay, so this event generally we trigger our functionality function over there. Also we have on change, on click, double click. Okay, this drag functionality we generally use for the drop, when we drag anything and drop anything in our layout, so we generally use this one. Okay, on focus also we have, when in the input, when we focus over there with the help of our click or with the help of tab. Okay, so also this click we are focusing, and also when we when we type the tab, so also focus generally work, and we can use the focus as well. Okay, so you can use your event according to your requirement. This is the event we can generally write the code. Okay, and also we have you can write event without declaring here. Suppose have one ID. Okay, submit. Document dot get element document by ID. So we have submit and dot add event listener. These things you can use if you know about that. On click, so in this one you generally write the name of your event. Here we generally use on, and then your function, your event name. Here you can write your proper event name and one callback function. Okay, so you can do your code here. Okay, so I'm going to make the same thing. Suppose I'm writing this one. Okay, I'm calling the same function here. Okay, so we have not any click function here, but we have the event listener as well. So when we click this one, then you can see here the data is changing. Okay, suppose we have this one. Okay, so you can see event listener is working here. Okay, so with the help of event listener also you can capture your event. Generally we use with the attribute as well and with the function as well separate. So this is the event function we can use in the JavaScript. You can do your requirement according to your layout and ID attribute. These things you can use in event. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much. This is the event. If